Hi, everyone. We're going to get started very shortly, and thanks for coming.
Hello to everyone. My name is Mark Ritchie, and I'm hosting today's webinar, and thank you for joining us. So I'd like to take a moment to introduce Mr. Ben Renner. He's the editor of the Employee Communications Council and a great person. Ben, thank you for joining us today, and why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about the ECC and about today's topic and presenter, and then we can get started.
All right, thanks, Mark. Hello, everyone. I'm Ben Renner, editor and director of the Employee Communications Council. We publish reports, articles, and blogs on a range of employee communications topics. You can access our website at www.employeecomms.org, or you can find us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. Excuse me. I'd like to thank you all for joining us today. In this webinar, we'll learn how digital content and communications are being used to improve employee benefits open enrollment programs. Our presenter today is Wayne Wall, CEO of Flimp Communications. Flimp is a leading human resources and employee benefits communications company with offices in Boston, Denver, Vero Beach, Florida, and Burlington, Vermont. They provide educational video content, benefits decision support tools, and digital communication solutions to over 400 large employers in North America. And with that, I'll turn it over to Wayne.
Thanks so much, Ben, and thanks everyone for coming. Hope you enjoyed the music beforehand. I asked Mark if he might want to keep that on during my presentation, but he nixed that idea. So we're going to talk about employee benefits communications and how we can make those easy, but deploy more digital tactics when it comes to open enrollment communications. In the overview here for the agenda, we expect about 35 minutes. I'm be presenting for about 35 minutes, and so I'm going to provide a lot of information fairly quickly, and we'll keep this recorded presentation and the presentation itself and make that available to any attendees who've signed up. What we're going to talk about is the growing importance of employee benefits communications. Going to cite a few studies that have been done recently that have some pretty interesting information about benefits and related communications. Then we'll get into the 5 digital tactics that we've learned over time are very important for successful benefits open enrollment. And this is based on our experience as a communications company. We focus mainly on digital communications using a lot of video and multimedia content. And so we want to share what's been working for us and working for our clients with you. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a peek at some of the new case study results that we have from 2018. We've assembled over 100 digital campaigns from about 80 different clients, and we'll share some high-level statistics from those campaigns with you. And then the report itself, we should have ready in another 2 to 3 weeks. We'll make that available to you as well when that's published, before it gets out into the public. And we'll talk a little bit about beyond open enrollment, some of the other kind of applications for communications that we've been involved in. And then hopefully we'll have some time, 10, 15 minutes or so, for question and answer period.